Tesla's Optimus robot has achieved a remarkable milestone in robotics by successfully catching a tennis ball with its newly enhanced hand. This accomplishment underscores significant advancements in motor skills and coordination, bringing it closer to human-like dexterity. Equipped with tactile sensors and improved actuators, Optimus can perform tasks requiring delicate handling and quick responses, such as manipulating fragile objects. These developments pave the way for Optimus to undertake a variety of applications, from industrial tasks to assisting in daily human activities. As Tesla continues to refine Optimus's capabilities, the distinction between human and machine proficiency becomes increasingly challenging, opening new horizons in the field of robotics. Elon Musk has highlighted the sophisticated engineering behind Optimus's hands, emphasizing their exceptional dexterity and human-like functionality. He announced that the upcoming Optimus hand, expected later this year, will feature 22 degrees of freedom, closely aligning with the 27 degrees of freedom found in human hands. This enhancement enables Optimus to execute complex tasks with greater precision, overcoming significant challenges in robotics and artificial intelligence. These innovations not only augment Optimus's utility in industrial settings, but also facilitate its integration into daily human activities.
Yeah. The hand might be close to half of all the engineering in Optimus. From an electromechanical standpoint, the hand is probably roughly half of the engineering.
The second generation of Tesla's Optimus robot features redesigned hands equipped with tactile sensors on all fingers, significantly enhancing its ability to manipulate objects with human-like dexterity. This advancement allows Optimus to perform delicate tasks, such as handling fragile items, with increased precision, marking a substantial step forward in development. Tesla's Optimus robot has demonstrated notable progress in mobility and object manipulation. Recent footage showcases Optimus autonomously navigating factory environments, efficiently picking up and organizing items such as battery cells. These developments highlight Tesla's strides in integrating humanoid robots into practical applications, moving closer to their goal of automating repetitive tasks within their facilities. Elon Musk has described Tesla's Optimus as a groundbreaking innovation that could redefine the robotics industry. He envisions the robot fulfilling a wide spectrum of roles, from assisting with household chores to providing companionship, with plans to make it accessible to the public by 2026 at an estimated price of $20,000 to $30,000. Musk emphasizes that Optimus represents not just a technological marvel, but a transformative product that could become Tesla's most impactful creation to date.
I don't know, past 1 million lives a year globally. And then Optimus starts limited production next year, 2025, and then should be in volume production in 26. And then we'll grow to, I think, ultimately be the biggest product of any kind ever.
Elon Musk has outlined Tesla's roadmap for Optimus, with limited production starting in 2025 and more than 1,000 units expected to be operational within Tesla's own facilities. The focus will then shift to mass production by 2026, making the humanoid robot available for a variety of applications beyond industrial use. Musk has expressed optimism about Optimus's ability to revolutionize industries and seamlessly integrate into daily life, bridging the gap between cutting-edge robotics and everyday functionality.
What do you think it takes to get to mass production of humanoid robots like that?
It's the same as cars, really. I mean, global capacity for vehicles is about 100 million a year. And it could be higher. It's just that the demand is on the order of 100 million a year. And then there's roughly 2 billion vehicles that are in use in some way. So, which makes sense. Like the life of a vehicle is about 20 years. So at steady state, you can have 100 million vehicles produced a year with a 2 billion vehicle fleet, roughly. Now for humanoid robots, the utility is much greater. So my guess is humanoid robots are more like at a billion plus per year.